This thing here just blazes through this stuff like it ain't nothing. Oh, not my tire. Oh yeah. All right, let's go back and get our tire. There we go. All dozer this thing is. And she'll just scoot. Yeah, I didn't mean to turn that sharp. I was kind of falling at the same time. We're getting a little deep.